We've got team coverage on the vaccine's arrival. We're live outside of Hartford Hospital and at Masonic Care in Wallingford.
In Hartford, we're expecting that Moderna vaccine to arrive just 25 minutes from now. And at Masonic Care, we'll see frontline workers getting vaccinated just about an hour from now.
Okay, we're going to start in Hartford, where, again, Hartford Healthcare is expected to get that round of COVID-19 vaccines sometime soon. We're thinking 10:30. Of course, these things tend to happen when they happen.
Yeah. All right, let's get you right on out to Fox 61's Lisette Nunez. She's joining us live from Hartford Hospital, a very familiar scene. Oh, and we see a FedEx truck. Is that it, Lisette?
We see two FedEx trucks. So yeah, they just arrived here within the last 5 minutes or so. Still unclear if these are the trucks that are carrying the vaccines. We are waiting to get confirmation from Hartford Healthcare, but at least two trucks here at the loading dock at Hartford Hospital. There's a smaller truck on the right, and on the left you could also see a much bigger truck. We've been closely watching to see what they're unloading. Still can't tell from right now, and we are waiting for Hartford Healthcare officials to arrive and confirm what exactly is happening. We did get a new timeline from Hartford Healthcare. They said that they expect the vaccines to get here at around 10:30 in the morning. They plan on unloading them at around 10:40 in the morning. But as I mentioned, these things quickly change, so we are constantly watching this. We also plan on hearing from Jeff Flax, the CEO of Hartford Healthcare, at around 11 in the morning. At around 11:30, that's when we expect the first frontline healthcare workers to receive the Moderna vaccine here at Hartford Healthcare. So we did hear from the governor. He mentioned that the state plans on receiving just a little bit over 63,000 doses of the Moderna vaccine within the first week. We know that it was authorized by the FDA over the weekend for emergency use, and this was also in conjunction with the CDC and then also Operation Warp Speed. They expect at least 20 million doses will be delivered by the U.S. government by the end of this month. So similar to the Pfizer vaccine, you will also be required to take 2 doses. That's if you go ahead and choose to take the vaccine, and each dose would be administered about 1 month apart from each other. What's different about this vaccine is that it doesn't require to be stored in ultra cold refrigerators. So that's some good news for hospitals who have been preparing for the arrival of these vaccines. And just to recap a little bit, within the last week, that's when we were here again, when we're waiting for the arrival for the Pfizer vaccine. We know that this hospital received, I should say healthcare system, Hartford Healthcare System received just a little bit under 2,000 doses. So once again, back here live outside of Hartford Hospital. This is the loading dock. We know at least 2 FedEx trucks are here, still waiting on confirmation from Hartford Healthcare whether these are in fact the trucks that are carrying the vaccines. But right now the timeline is 10:30 in the morning, still any minute from now. So we'll be sure to keep you updated throughout the morning show. But for now, we are live in Hartford. Lisette Nunez, Fox 61 News.